students, you know why I am looking at my digital wristwatch? Because I am conscious about time and my physical activity. Are you also keeping track of latest career trend? Dear students, you know, people respond well to those who are sure about what they want in life, and these are the golden word of Anna Wintour, the editor of Vogue magazine. I hope that you are sure that what career you want to pursue. This session will help you in understanding career prospect in the field of cyber forensics. Let us discuss the structure of today's session. In this session on career prospects on cyber forensics, we will be focusing on need, scope, role, designations in forensics and certification courses available in the field of cyber forensics. Let us look at the need and scope first. The need for cyber forensic expert is growing rapidly. Talking about market growth, the global cyber forensic market is estimated to reach $7 billion by 2024. Also, one of the major benefits of this job role is the fact that it not only allows you to work with private firms, but also let you join government bodies. With so much cyber attacks happening every single year, government agencies from all across the world are spending a huge amount of money on cyber forensics. If we talk about India, according to a survey by Symantec India, which India ranks third among nations facing the maximum cyber threats, the same survey shows that India ranks second in the world in terms of targeted cyber attack. Now you know why jobs in cyber forensics are witnessing an upsurge. Dear student, please note that cyber forensics is synonymous to computer forensics and digital forensics in this session. So, I will be using these terms interchangeably in the whole session. Dear students, is cyber forensic a good career? Yes, it is. There is a high demand for expertise in cyber forensics. Following the increasing reliance on internet and computer technologies, cyber forensics has become a significant part of business and law and a very lucrative career path. As digital forensics continue to mature, so will the processes and the methodologies used to support an organization's recovery from cyber attacks. Computer forensic job plays a significant role in an organization's disaster recovery approach from a cyber attack. Recovery can start to play out when forensics processes are carefully and properly followed after cyber attacks. Now, the input of computer forensics in criminal investigation is only going to increase in demand, since the necessity for support in recovering information that can be tapped as evidence is getting more challenging for law enforcement agencies. Moreover, this growing field demand IT professionals or cybersecurity professionals who are expert at this type of data recovery for law enforcement and corporate setting. Having expertise in this field is not only critical demand, but also to improve the efforts of law enforcement with IT expertise and techniques to solve court cases and make an actual differences. Dear students, you must understand what is the role of cyber forensic expert as an investigator, because investigator is the key position in this field. Now, the role of cyber forensic job in criminal investigation has progressed to include evidentiary acknowledgement in the court. The computer forensic job fits into information security sector of law enforcement, and it is casually linked to criminal justice and forensic science. This is why most computer forensic examiners work for law enforcement organizations. A cyber forensic analyst examines storage devices and computer hard devices such as PCs, flash drive, tablet, video game consoles, mobile phones, MP3 players, electronic notebook and other electronic devices that may support the evidence to be used in legal court. Likewise, the role of a cyber forensic analyst is not just significant in criminal investigations. Computer forensic analysts may apply their expertise in a corporate setting to recover lost files, to defend computer from intrusions and determine how a computer was infiltrated or compromised. They apply their technical knowledge to search out information and files that have been deleted, lost or hidden. Dear students, what role does a cyber forensics plays in disaster recovery plan? Here disasters means cyber disaster, which is getting very critical on day-to-day basis. Now next war will be cyber war and next disaster will be cyber disaster. Cyber forensic techniques and practices can play a significant role in your business disaster recovery plan. Most incident response plans are part of an overall disaster recovery plan, like a typical disaster recovery plan. A criminal response plan records general event in case of a criminal incident relating to a corporate IT resources. Digital evidence is often important in such scenarios where IT infrastructure accounts for organizational issues. Users of informational system often leave their imprint whenever they make use of their digital systems such as computer, tablets, mobile devices and networks. This is why cyber forensics plays a vital role. Now, there is a need to preserve computer evidence in such a way that it would admissible in the code of law. Cyber forensic tools and strategies can be used to discover and examine what may have led to the incidents, to retrieve deleted or lost data and collect the computer evidence to defend the organization in the code of law. Now, till this you have understand what is the role of cyber expert. Now, you must know what is the job position available in the market so that you can get a bird's eye view on the same. You should always remember that the job and salary is determined by your level of education, experience, certification, locations among other subjective factors. Let us focus on some of the highest paying forensic jobs starting from the junior position. The forensic engineer is one of such position, and forensic engineers are specialized engineers who study materials, devices, structure and products that do not work as they were designed to or fail to work completely. They also provide written or oral testimony regarding their findings or educated opinions in legal proceedings. The second position is cybersecurity analyst. Cybersecurity analysts play a key role on cybersecurity and investigator teams. These professionals specialized in gathering and analyzing data related to cyber attacks and illegal online activity. They apply advanced data retrieval and incident analysis skill to cases involving espionage, organized cybercrime, hacking, fraud, terrorism and the storage and distribution of illegal contents. The third position is forensic accountant. Since several crimes involves money laundering and complicated transactions to cover up illegal activities, this is where forensic accountants and auditors come to play their role. The fourth position is forensic computer analyst. You may want to become a forensic computer analyst if you want to work in any criminal justice department in this role. In this role, you will apply the skills and knowledge you gained to handle computer hard drive and storage devices to analyze user patterns using different computer programs to recover information from destroyed media devices and prepare detailed report after running computer analysis software application among other applications. Now, these were the leading job positions available in the market. It is as per the USA data which is most popular in the world. Now, you must understand what is happening in our country India. Let us see the scope of cyber forensics courses available in India so that you can easily pursue them. As already stated, cyber forensic courses in India are gaining increasing popularity among students. This is due to the rapid rise in the incidents of online and mobile phone frauds. The following prime objectives from the basis of cyber forensic courses in India. These objectives are knowledge of the approach and method of cybercrime investigation, understanding defensive measures of damage control in response to cyber attacks, knowledge of the proactive method of avoiding cybercrime, and recognizing the clues to identify and prevent the potential cyber attacks. Should also learn the various types of risk involved in computerized and networking operations. Now, these were the primary objectives of learning. You must know what are the eligibility criteria. Who is eligible for cyber forensic courses in India? Now, let us see that. The cyber forensic or computer forensic is the application of computer science for assisting in the legal criminal justice system. A graduate in computer science, information technology or computer application is most eligible for cyber forensic courses in India. Cyber forensic professionals need to pursue a post-graduation degree in cyber forensics or a certification in information or cyber security. Some of the best places to learn cyber forensics are: first, Center for Development of Advanced Computing, popularly known as CDAC, then Indian School of Ethical Hacking, and IFS Forensic Science Education. But if someone is from the IT domain or have enough knowledge about cybersecurity like MCA or BTech degree, they might not have to take up a course. However, they need to get a certification done to work as a computer forensic experts. Now, you must know what are these certifications. The Computer Forensic Examiner Professional Certification, and it has a series of certification for you students. Individuals that intend to stay in the field and want to grow in their career will want to pursue professional certification. The following are the few of the most commonly requested by employers of Computer Forensic Examiner in the field. The first certification is Certified Information System Security Professional, that is CISSP. Although not specific to forensic, this certification from ISC 2 is considered the gold standard in certification for computer security and could be valuable for job seekers. To qualify for CISSP exam, applicants must have at least 5 years of experience or a relevant 4-year degree. The second certification in this category is Certified Computer Examiner, offered by International Society of Forensic Computer Examiners. The CCE certification is available to those with at least 18 months of verifiable computer forensic experience or the equivalent. Now, there is Global Certified Forensic Analyst. This is sponsored by Global Information Assurance Certification. The GCFA exam is open to all with no educational or experience prerequisites, that is easier for the freshers. Now, Certified Computer Forensic Examiner from the Information Assurance Certification Review Board, known as the CCFE credential, requires both a traditional exam and a practical take home exam in which test takers are given a mock forensic case to analyze and write up a legal report and submit the finding within 60 days online. The next certification is Certified Digital Forensic Examiner. The National Initiative for Cybersecurity Career and Studies is a government program that offers a CDFE course. This comprehensive course can be completed in a 5-day in a person training or in an online self-study option, very easy for you students. Now, besides this certification, I recommend EC Council certification, which is recognized worldwide. For you which are in great demand, you must browse the website of EC Council as given on the screen. Now, you also have to make sure that you put in your efforts and consume enough knowledge about some of the most important aspect of cyber forensics. Now, when you study any courses, you must consider a few bullet points, and first are fundamentals, my dear students. Basics are one of the most important things in this domain. You have to have a strong hold of all the basics. And second part is data recovery. This is your core job, dear students. It is one of the most important aspect of cyber forensics. Most of the time, professionals are provided with devices that are either formatted or erased, and if the cyber forensics professional doesn't have the know-how to recover data, then there is going to be really difficult survival for you as an expert in this field. So, data recovery is heart of the job. Now, you must understand cyber laws. Every country has its own set of protocols and laws. Every country has different cyber laws, and when you are working in the cybersecurity domain, you have to have complete knowledge and understanding of the cyber laws of the country you are working in. India is having different laws than USA and so on. Now, the career options after completing your cyber forensic course and getting your certification, the thought of joining a company and start working as a cyber forensic analyst might be really intriguing. However, there are few things you have to keep in mind as you are new to the domain. Whatever you learn in a training center is not the entire thing. The real learning starts when you enter in the industry. Therefore, try to learn more by interacting with fellow cyber forensic analysts who are senior to you or who have more knowledge than you. There are other roles besides the usual cyber forensic analyst, and these are computer forensic analyst, computer forensic investigator, computer forensic specialist, computer forensic technician that you can explore. The designation may vary, their title can vary on country to country basis and industry basis. The knowledge part you have to focus on. Dear students, as we have discussed certification earlier, let us focus on degree, diploma, certificate courses available in Indian Institute offering computer forensic courses in India. Dear students, I have made the list of universities and colleges in India that offer full-time degree or diploma and certificate regarding cyber forensic courses. Number 1 is Gujarat Forensic Science University. The Gujarat Forensic Science University is renowned as the world's first and only university founded exclusively for forensic science and its related branches. Aspirant of computer forensics in India may want to choose from the following courses that the Gujarat Forensic University offers: MTech in Cyber Security and Incident Response, MSc in Digital Forensic and Information Assurance, Certificate Diploma in Cybercrime Investigation. Now, dear student, it is only for government law enforcement agencies like police people and associated departments. Now, they have a Certificate Diploma in Cyber Security and they have IBA and RBI approved Certified Information Security Professional course on cyber security. Now, this is very nice university. And second, we have in India the Indian School of Ethical Hacking. The Indian School of Ethical Hacking offers short-term certification courses mainly to engineering graduates and working professionals. They offer following certification. First is Network Penetration Testing Expert, then Certified Ethical Hacker Certification, Professional Certification in Computer Forensics. We have IFS Forensic Science Education Institute as well. It provides cyber forensic courses and certification offered by IFS Forensic Science Education. They provide PG certification in cyber forensics, cyber crime, cyber security and cyber law and much more. I advise you to browse this website of this institute. We have SRM University, a well-known university of South. SRM University is well recognized, but not many are aware of its computer forensic courses. Dear student, it offers MTech in Information Security and Computer Forensics. Now, the last is 5th, Indraprasth Institute of Information Technology, Delhi. It has a specialized cell called Cyber Security Education and Research Center, which offers cyber security training and cyber forensic courses in India. It has an MTech in Computer Science and Engineering with a specialization in Information Security and Cyber Forensics. Now, these are the leading institute in India, but dear students, these courses are updated till January 2021. Besides these, international universities also offered dedicated degree in cyber forensic field. You need to be updated about latest courses on day-to-day basis as universities are launching new courses on these. So, my dear students, in today's session, we discussed need, scope, role and certification opportunities available in India, which is highly valuable to the aspiring youth. I would like to conclude by the quote of Walt Disney that all your dream can come true if you have the courage to pursue them. So, keep your courage high. Thank you everyone.